Did you know that you could do this when exporting video from a Vigilon? No? Well, let me show you how. So the first thing I'm going to obviously do is log into my client. And the key to this is doing it off an appearance search. So when you're running an appearance search and you're starring objects, whether it's person or vehicle, you're telling the system this is the actual object in the scene that I'm interested in. So when you're blurring it, the background, you're blurring everything that's not that keyed object. So everyone should know how to do a basic appearance search by now. And if you don't, just reach out to your local SC. They'll show you. And I'm going to run it on all the cameras. Now, however you get here, whether it's on recorded video and you're doing search appearances before or after or whatever it might be, does not matter. Just get to the appearance search screen and I'll show you. So here we go. We've got an appearance search. And like I said, the key is the starred object. So you might have situations where there's multiple vehicles or people in the scene like we kind of do up here on the top 5 rows. So a tip would be if you have facial recognition enabled on the camera, what you can do is just hover over one of the thumbnails like this, and it's going to show you who would be the object of interest when you star that result. You might think it's me, the taller guy, but it's not. It's the guy with the glasses. If you don't have facial rec, just look to see who has the thicker bounding box, and that's your object of interest when exporting. If you star multiple, you're just going to get a longer video. Not a big deal, but for this scenario, we're just going to do one. We're going to hit export, and here we are at the export screen. So what the first thing we want to do is when we click the AVE file, we're going to switch that. We're going to switch that off our Unity Player video to AVI, and you'll see a new button down here called Blur Background. And that's exactly what it's saying. We're going to blur the background on anything that's not the starred object, in this case, me. So we're going to hit export. Very easy. It's going to export video folder. It's a great folder to use, so we're going to do that one. We're going to hit yes. And as it rips off the server, or rather into the folder, we're going to see the video all clear here. And then once it's done, you'll see that it will be all blurred. So there it is. We got a quick link down here to open the folder. That's awesome. We're going to open the video. And once I'm in the scene, I will be unblurred and it will blur everything else. It's a really cool little feature on the appearance search and starred results. Enjoy, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks. Goodbye.